It is late, it is mid-December. And if you are still trying to get your gifts together, get prepared to celebrate this beautiful holiday season, then I need you to not only join me today, join me right now, but also share this out with some friends. I'm kicking off my version of 12 Days of Christmas. Happy holidays, right? And so this is where for the next 12 days, I'm going to be sharing some holiday savings tips as well as the best holiday gifts that you can give to every member of your family, right? Because now at this point, we need to start normalizing wealth. We need to start normalizing giving gifts that are considered assets or that are really going to benefit everyone at every stage. I was about to say our young people because y'all know I have a heart for that. But if you are just learning about me, tuning in to me, this is your first interaction. Let me introduce myself. My name is Holly Reid, Tootle of the Master Playbook, and we are on a mission to equip the next generation to master money and to equip parents just like you, parents, adults, the rich aunties, the uncles, on how you guys can empower the next generation and give them that financial head start that they so rightfully deserve. Now, since the inception of the Master Playbook, I have every year, year after year, I have identified some of the best holiday gifts for those who are interested in actually planting those seeds of financial success and building wealth within their community of family and friends. And so I typically issue out a holiday gift guide, and I'm taking the gift guide online. So y'all got to come and tune in so I can share these great wealth building gift ideas with you for the next 12 days. Now, the gift guide, it is filled with a lot of unique gifts, a lot of personal gifts. There's going to be in every price range so that it covers absolutely everybody on your list. I'm talking whether it's a baby's first Christmas, whether you're dealing with hard to please teens and tweens, I'm going to have you covered. So, I need you guys to join me and share this out. Okay. So, if you are looking for affordable family gifts, if you're looking for that right item for the man, the woman, your in laws in your life, the people who seem to have it all, you are in the right place because I'm going to be sharing my recommendations both on how you can save big during the holiday season by purchasing holiday gifts, but also my goal is to make your holiday shopping fast, convenient. Listen, I have a very large family, and we typically give very practical gifts. So when I say practical, it's affordable gifts that people are actually going to use. We actually ask each other, what do you want to give? And people in my family know, they know better not to be asking for anything outrageous, right? They don't ask for anything outrageous. And so these gifts are not only not on the outrageous list, but they will be memorable because it's all about wealth building. It's all about equipping everyone in your friend circle, everyone in your family circle with something that's going to be considered in the wealth building category. All right. So, because tonight is day one, I know that one of the major things we all need to be focused on and paying attention to are these shipping deadlines. Okay. So, typically, I wait to the last minute. I'm a last minute shopper for whatever reason. That's when my creative ideas and my most thoughtful ideas come into play. But for those of you who are shopping online right now, there are ways that you guys can save money. Okay. And so the way that I'm sharing tonight is through a platform called Rakuten. Have y'all heard of Rakuten? Now, I have been a member of Rakuten for many, many years. And what I love about Rakuten is that it allows you to shop at all your favorite stores, right? Stores you're already shopping at. You're already shopping at Walmart and Macy's or different department stores, you're already shopping at Nike or Adidas or whatever store it is, they have partnerships with several retailers, hundreds of thousands of retailers. And the way it works is if you go through Rakuten, their link, then they will send you cash back on your purchases, right? So a good example is I saw something that I wanted to buy. Um, and in Walmart, right? I wanted to buy this electronic item in Walmart. Instead of me going to Walmart to buy the item, I prefer online shopping. So I went to Rakuten, clicked on the Walmart store link, and was able to qualify for like 10% cash back on the item that I specifically purchased. Now, the percentage of cash back is going to vary from retailer to retailer. It might even vary by product category, right? Electronics versus women clothing versus perfumes versus, sports equipment. So it's gonna vary, but it is an awesome way to get some money back without having to search for coupons or actually have to search for different sales at these major retailers. All right. So this is one of my suggestions. We are on day one of holidays, the 12 days of Christmas. These are going to be short, quick. So if you miss them, which I hope you don't, I hope y'all tune in live every time. But if you miss it, you can come back to wherever you're catching me now and watch the replay. All right. So if you guys do me a favor, follow me at the Master Playbook across social media at the Master Playbook so that you can catch these great money saving and wealth building gift ideas for the next 12 days. They're going to get real juicy, and you're going to be the star of the holiday because you're going to come with some thoughtful gifts that will help people build their assets. They'll help people to start building wealth and really start thinking about their being financially successful long term. All right. So appreciate you guys for joining me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.